Today we show you how to assemble our universal fork mount FKPL. Do you have these parts in front of you? If your package does not include the reflector, just skip the assembly steps of it. Take the fork mount and press the nut into the designated position. Depending on whether the holder is being mounted with or without a reflector, there will be a difference in the next step. Variant 1, without reflector. Take the plastic spacer and insert it into the slot of the lamp pin. Then, slide the holder onto the pins and secure it with the screw. Use an Allen key for this step and tighten the screw hand tight. Variant 2, with reflector. This works in essentially the same way as Variant 1, but instead of the spacer, insert the reflector into the slot of the lamp pin. And that's it, you're done. Discover all our products and more information on our website. For that, visit www.litemove.com. Thank you for watching.